Want to avoid costly mistakes from paper-generated processes, especially when dealing with large or complex projects? Using the digital tools in Revu can provide a great solution. Let's go through the quantity takeoffs, tips and tricks in Bluebeam Revu. Calibrate the PDF. Don't rely on the drawings to be in proper scale. This process ensures that your measurements are accurate. You don't always know whether those sheets have been printed to the right scale or not. Calibration ensures that we use the right scale and we get the right measurements. Revu includes automatic prompts for setting scale and can calibrate a PDF to a single scale or to separate X and Y scales as needed, as well as setting multiple measurement scales on the same PDF using viewports. When it comes to taking off regions and areas, it's got some really smart tools that let you snap onto the corner points of the areas, and you can really easily take off those quantities. Create custom toolsets. Align all project collaborators by creating and deploying a toolset for takeoffs that can be used and standardized throughout your company and on future projects. Taking off quantities can be a repetitive process, and if you have multiple people working on several bid packages at once, having a standard set of tools makes work consistent and efficient amongst everyone. Markups, like colored hatch patterns and symbols, like lighting fixtures, can be saved as custom toolset in Revu and even shared with other users. Use custom columns. Why not have an immediate cost breakdown? Columns in the markups list are highly customizable. With values plugged into your custom columns, users can instantly see the materials and price estimates. Users can also instantly know dollar value and price estimates of materials within Revu by setting up custom columns in the markups list. This allows a user to associate a markup for a carpet type with a unit price of that carpet and add a dollar value to the takeoff. As soon as you take off the quantities, it gives you the dollar value of that quantity right there in front of you. You can have that displayed as a table on the sheet, which means that straight away you can find out how much it's going to cost you. The quantity and unit price, along with other custom column information, can be easily exported from Revu to Excel and dynamically linked so that the values update as the takeoff continues. Want to know more about Bluebeam Revu? You can contact us today in the description below.